The next topic we'll be learning is les numéros cardinaux. Les numéros cardinaux means numbers. Today we'll be learning 1 to 20. Say after me. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20. 20. Let's go over it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We're also going to be learning les pronoms. Les pronoms means pronouns. Les pronoms. What are pronouns in French? Pronouns are the same thing in French, just like in English. They are used instead of a noun. So in this section, we'll be talking about personal pronouns, which are called les pronoms personnels in French. Je, or the J apostrophe, where there's a vowel, the A-E-I-O-U, you put a J and you put an apostrophe. Je, it means I. Tu, it means you. When you're using it, this tu comes in when you're talking to somebody in an informal context, somebody that you're very familiar with, your brother, your sister, your mother. You use tu. Il means he. Elle means she. Nous means we. Nous means we. Vous means you for plural. When you're talking to more than one person, you use vous. Or when you're talking to somebody in a formal context, somebody you're not used to, you're meeting him or her for the first time, you use vous, a formal context. Il means they masculine. It means they masculine. Plural, masculine. Elle, plural, feminine, means they as well. Elle, plural, but feminine means they as well. So let's go over it again. Les pronoms personnels. Je, tu, means you, informal context. Il, he, elle, nous, vous, plural, when you're talking to more than one person or in a formal context. Il, they, masculine. Elle, they, feminine. Elle, they, feminine. This brings us to a very important topic. This is very important because if you don't know this part of French, you will not be able to speak French. It is called les conjugaisons. It means conjugations. Les conjugaisons. French language involves a lot of conjugations. So for one to learn French, he or she has to master the art of conjugations. Conjugations are used to form sentences in French. Once verbs are conjugated, it makes it easier to know where they can be placed and form correct sentences in French. Let's go over this again. French language involves a lot of conjugations. So for one to learn French, he or she has to master the act of conjugations. Conjugations are used to form sentences in French. Once verbs are conjugated, it makes it easy to know where they can be placed to form correct sentences. We're going to be learning how to conjugate our first two verbs, which are the auxiliary verbs in French. French also have auxiliary verbs just like English. The two auxiliary verbs in French are avoir and être. Let's start with the verb avoir, to have. Say after me, j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont. Take note of the pronunciation. Ils ont, elles ont. Ils ont, elles ont. Take note. Let's go over it again. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. Let's try and make sentences. Des phrases. J'ai une voiture. Take note of the verb avoir des j'ai. J'ai une voiture. It means I have a car. J'ai une voiture. Elles ont 3 enfants. Elles ont, take note of elles ont there. Elles ont 3 enfants. They have 3 children. Elles ont 3 enfants. Il a une belle maison. Il a une belle maison. Take note of the il a there. Il a une belle maison. Let's go through the examples again. J'ai une voiture. Elles ont 3 enfants. Il a une belle maison. Il a une belle maison. Let's conjugate the next auxiliary verb, which is être. The verb être, to be. Je suis. You remember the other time we said je suis Nigérian. Je suis. I am. Tu es. Tu es. Il est. Elle est. Nous sommes. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Vous êtes. Ils sont. Take note. Ils sont. Elles sont. Take note. Elles sont. Let's go over it again. Je suis. Je suis. Tu es. Tu es. Il est. Elle est. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Ils sont. Elles sont. Let's make sentences. Des phrases. Je suis Pierre. Pierre is Peter in French. Je suis, take note of je suis, Pierre. Je suis Pierre. Ils sont à la maison. Ils sont à la maison. Ils sont à la maison. Il est nigérian. Il est nigérian. Take note of that. Il est